Okay, so if I have a bunch of materials already in my scene and I want to copy a material that has layers on it, such as this table or this chair leather or the chair legs material down below, I can go to the object and on Layer Painter in the end panel, I can click on this icon and just select the material. So let's say I wanted chair leather. You want to make sure that your item scale is set to 1. But it should just assign that material, and then it's going to share the material with the other object. And then I can continue to add layers, and it will affect all of our objects that have that material, as you can see. Now, if I want to duplicate this material and only use it for this object, then I recommend using the asset browser. So on our layout, I have the asset browser loaded, and these are materials that I've saved. And you can save a material. So if I were to go to this chair leather and tone it down, something like that, I could mark that as an asset and go to my current file, and I could assign that asset here. Now, the key though is you need another blend file. So create a blend file that just has your materials on it and save that to your asset folder location. And then when you drag and drop this material in, you get your own custom copy of the material and you can add layers in. If you don't save it to another blend file, let's just say I made that asset and I want to bring it in here, it's going to be sharing with all the other materials. So as I adjust this, it's still technically shared. And if you click on the make a single copy, it will break in Layer Painter. You'll end up getting an error. But when you do it from the asset browser, it won't break. So I can make this tiles if I wanted. Right? And I could add in another layer on top of that. So hopefully that tip helps. To copy material from another object, you just come in and select your drop down, just like you would in the shader editor. If you want to copy the material and make it unique, make sure you're using the asset browser and you have your material saved on a different file.